making sense of contractions and abbreviations in English. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of informal writing in English: contractions and abbreviations. We'll cover what they are and, more importantly, when and how to use them. So buckle up and let's get started. First, let's clarify what we're talking about. Contractions are shortened versions of words or phrases, created by removing certain letters and sounds. In English, we use an apostrophe to indicate these missing letters. Examples include don't, for, do not, and I'm, for, I am. On the other hand, abbreviations are also shortened forms of words, but they can be formed in various ways, such as by using the first few letters of a word, e.g., app, for application, or by using acronyms, e.g., ASAP, for as soon as possible. Now, let's tackle the all-important question: when should we use contractions? In informal writing, contractions help make our language sound more natural and conversational. They're great for emails to friends, casual blog posts, social media updates, and so on. But remember, in formal writing, it's generally advised to use full forms. Like contractions, abbreviations can make our writing more concise. However, be careful. Some abbreviations are widely understood, like ASAP, but others may not be. If you're not sure your reader will know what an abbreviation stands for, it's best to write out the full term first and then include the abbreviation in parentheses. For example, I'll be there as soon as possible, ASAP. It's important to strike the right balance between formality and casualness. Too formal, and your writing may sound stiff or impersonal. Too casual, and it might seem unprofessional or sloppy. When in doubt, think about your audience and the context. Remember, contractions and abbreviations can add a friendly and relatable tone to your writing. But don't forget that clarity is key. And that wraps up our exploration of contractions and abbreviations in informal English writing. Hopefully, you now feel more confident in knowing when and how to use these handy shortcuts. Keep practicing, and soon, they'll become second nature. As always, happy learning and see you in the next video.